Are you feeling overwhelmed by debt and searching for effective ways to become debt free quickly? Look no further. In this comprehensive video, I share expert strategies and powerful techniques that will help you regain financial freedom and pave the way to a debt free life. Hello, I am Brijesh Parikh, father of two lovely kids, husband to a loving woman, an edupreneur now turned into a wealth coach, and I am on a mission to help 1 lakh families like yours to live a financially worry free life. Welcome to Financial Freedom with Planet Wealth YouTube channel, where I empower individuals like you with valuable insights and practical advice on achieving financial independence. In this video, we will dive deep into the topic of becoming debt free in India. My aim is to equip you with proven strategies that will enable you to overcome your debt burden and embark on a path towards financial stability. If you are interested to continue to learn about financial well being, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. If you watch this video till the end, I promise you to equip you with powerful debt reduction strategies that help you achieve peace of mind. Becoming debt free can be a crucial factor in maintaining financial stability and reducing stress. Anxiety can come with debt, affecting many aspects of life. This video will provide you with a clear step by step guide to quickly becoming debt free, offering valuable insights and strategies. Start by assessing your current debt situation. Gather information about all your outstanding debts like credit card bills, loans, and home loans, etc. It is important to understand the size of your debts in order to create an effective plan. Next, prioritize your debts based on interest rates. Pay high interest rate debts first as they accumulate more interest with time. You will save money and be debt free faster this way. Create a realistic budget for your income and expenses. Consider how much you can allocate towards debt repayment without compromising your needs. This budget will serve as a roadmap to achieving debt free goals. Reduce discretionary spending where possible and search for extra sources of income. This can help accelerate the process of eliminating your debts. If you are facing financial hardships, let your creditors know. Many lenders are willing to negotiate temporary relief or payment plans options once they know your situation. If you stay focused and committed, you will gradually witness a decline in the burden of debt. Celebrate each small victory and you will join the ranks of individuals who become debt free. This video aims to equip you with practical advice and a clear roadmap. Take control of your financial future and reclaim your life from clutches of debt. Calculate your debt and face your fears because debt won't disappear without action. Step 1, calculate your debts. It's the first step to becoming debt free. Be honest with yourself and make sure you don't forget any debts or bills. Here is a 3 step guide. 1. Make a list, write down every outstanding debt, including credit cards, personal loans, car loans, and any other money you owe. Also, take note of current balances and interest rate. 2. Organize your details. Sort your debts by interest rate or prioritize them according to your prepayment plan. This will help you figure out which debts need faster attention. 3. Calculate your total, add up the balances of all your debts to get an idea of your overall debt burden and create a debt repayment plan. Honesty is the key. If you leave out any debts, it will delay your debt free journey. Confront your financial obligations and make smart decisions about your how to tackle each of the debt. In addition, consider unique aspects of your financial situation. Think about your income stability, savings, and expenses. This will help you decide how aggressively you can pay off your debts. Take Rajesh's example as a story. He had multiple credit card bills and personal loans weighing him down, but he made a list of his debts and devised a repayment plan By making small payments and avoiding additional borrowing, he became debt free and in 2 years. The road to debt freedom may seem hard, but with dedication and a solid plan, you can do it. Start by calculating your debts and create a strategy to pay them off. Step 2, choose a debt elimination strategy. Choosing the right debt elimination strategy is key to becoming debt free quickly. Two popular methods are the snowball method and avalanche method. Let's take a look at how each works and when they are best suited. The snowball method entails paying debts from smallest to largest regardless of interest rates. This helps build momentum as you see smaller debts disappearing, motivating you to keep going. Say you have a three loans, a credit card debt of rupees 10,000 with 15% interest, a personal loan of rupees 50,000 12% interest, and a car loan of rupees 2 lakh with 10% interest. Following the snowball method, you would start by making minimum payments on all debts except the smallest one, that is the credit card. You would then allocate any extra income to the smallest debt until it is paid off. Once gone, move on to the next and repeat the same. The avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with highest interest rates first while making minimum payments on others. This could save more money on interest payment compared to the snowball method. Using the example, if you follow the avalanche method, you would prioritize paying off the credit card debt with 15% interest rate before the personal loan 12% and the car loan 10%. It depends on your goals and preferences. If quick wins and motivations are important, go with the snowball method. If savings money on interest payments is your main priority, the avalanche method might be the better. Many have become debt free using these methods. Ramesh is one inspiring story. He faced multiple credit card debts and a car loan. He chose the avalanche method and made extra payment towards his smallest credit card debt. As each debt was paid off, he gained momentum and cleared all his debts within 3 years. Now Ramesh enjoys financial freedom and saves for his future goals. Step 3, reduce expenses. Reducing expenses is key to becoming debt free in India. To do this, use effective techniques and tools like making a shopping list, couponing, and meal preparations. Cut back on subscriptions and entertainment too. Get inspired by people who have saved money this way. Here is a 5-step guide to help you. Make a shopping list. This stops you buying stuff you don't need. Use coupons, clip them from newspaper, magazines, or online. There are apps also. Prepare meal ahead of time saves you from expensive takeout orders. Get creative. Cancel subscriptions you don't use or find free entertainment. And fifth, learn from success stories. Find motivation and prove that financial freedom is possible. To get the most out from reducing expenses, remember that small changes make big differences over the time. Evaluate your habits, use these steps, and you will be debt free soon. Take action today and watch your savings grow. Don't let fears of missing out stop you from achieving your goals. The satisfaction of being debt free is way better than momentary indulgences. Take control and create a brighter future. Think of increasing income as a game. Each pawn moves you closer to checkmate your debt. Step 4, increase income. Boosting your earnings is a must if you want to be debt free fast. Here are some sound strategies to do this. 1. Consider freelancing. Take advantage of your talents and experience to do extra projects outside of your normal job. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr and Freelancer provide lots of freelance gigs. 2. Start a side business. If you have a hobby that can be monetized, set up a side business. It could be selling handmade items online, offering consulting services, or a small e commerce store. 3. Work overtime. If you can do overtime at your job, take it up. Use the extra cash to pay off your debt. To get the most out of from your earning potential, here is what you can do. Network actively, participate in industry events, join professional groups, and link with influential people in your field. This could lead to better opportunities and higher paying projects. Boost your skills. Improve your value propositions by getting new skills related to your industry or desired freelance work. This could involve taking online courses, workshops, or getting certifications. Rahul increased his income by leveraging his network contacts. Through referral and word of mouth, he was able to get high paying freelance contracts and pay off his debts in 2 years. Pooja also had such success by becoming an entrepreneur by working full time. By setting up her own online store selling customized jewelry, she made enough money to pay off her debts and quit her corporate job. Getting out of debt needs determination and persistence. It may mean stepping out of your comfort zone. Don't give up and you will reach your financial freedom. Here is a pro tip: diversify your income sources by exploring various options at the same time. This could bring in multiple streams of income, reducing your reliance on one source and helping you become debt free faster. Set up a debt repayment plan and watch your debts disappear like magic. Step 5: have a debt repayment plan. Having a debt repayment plan is key for becoming debt free. Set up a structured plan that outlines how much you will pay each month and when your debts will be paid off. Automating payments helps you avoid late fees or penalties. Here is how to create an effective debt repayment plan. Step 1: calculate your monthly payment amount. Consider income, expenses, and other financial commitments. Try to pay off debts while still having a reasonable living standard. Step 2: prioritize debts. Based on interest rates or balances, pick a strategy that works for you and fits your financial goals. Step 3: set a timeline for debt payoff. Consider monthly payments and interest rates or balances. Stick to this timeline and pay off one debt at a time. 4. Automate payments. Set up automatic transfer from your bank account to pay agreed upon amounts on specified dates. Saves time and reduces risk of forgetting to pay. Paying off debts before time saves money on interest payments. For example, a 10% annual interest rate loan paid off early saves interest that would have accrued, reduces overall debt burden, and speeds debt free future. Each person's debt repayment plan differs. Get personalized advice from a financial advisor. Creating a structured and automated debt repayment plan is essential for anyone wanting to become debt free. Carefully think about capacity, prioritize debts, set a timeline, and automate payments. Take control of your finances to work towards a debt free future. A reminder: Rome wasn't built in a day, but with each debt paid off, you are closer to becoming the Caesar of your own financial empire. Step 6: stay motivated and committed. Celebrate small victories and measure your progress to stay motivated on your debt free journey. Reward yourself for each milestone achieved. Track your debt reduction process via spreadsheet or budgeting app. Watch those numbers decrease with time. Connect with others who are also striving to become debt free. Support and accountability from like minded individuals can go a long way. Get started today and commit to living debt in the dust. India's total external debt of $558 billion in 2022 is a reminder of importance of managing personal debts. Works towards your financial freedom. Watch your debt vanish faster than politicians promise. Becoming debt free, it's not just a dream, it's an achievable goal for anyone in India. To start off, understand the key points. Create a budget, cut unnecessary expenses, explore debt consideration options, seek professional help if needed. The sooner you begin, the quicker you can be free from your debts. Take actions, hold yourself accountable, review your budget, track progress, set realistic targets, and celebrate small victories. Find ways to stay motivated. Surround yourself with positive influences who support you. Join online communities and forums to get inspired by others on their debt free journey. Remember, each person's finances are unique, so adapt strategies to fit your situation. Consistency and perseverance are key to financial freedom. Here is a fun fact. According to CIBIL, over 220 million Indians have taken steps to improve their credit scores. People are recognizing the importance of managing their debts. So don't wait any longer. Start your debt free journey today and make a brighter financial future happen. How would you feel if you are debt free in 1 to 3 years, depending on your current debt situation? Please reply in the comment. If you found this video insightful and valuable, I invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to your channel for more empowering content. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who may also benefit from this information. Together, let's spread financial literacy and help others achieve debt free lives. Bye bye.